In this example, we're going to look at how we can use slope in a real world type situation. So in this problem, we're looking at time in hours and distance in miles. And for our first question, how much does the distance increase for each hour once you cross a bridge? So how much does the distance go up for every hour? So we're essentially finding slope. So it says that for A and for B, it says what is a slope? So they're really the same thing. B is just specifically saying slope in general, where A is asking for the same thing, but it's wording it in terms of the real world problem. So we're just kind of explaining what slope means in this problem. In this problem, instead of rise or run, we're talking about distance over time or hours. So we can start on any whole number point. So I can look at this one here. Looks like the point here is 0, 0, so that's an easy point to use. I wouldn't want to use this one or this one because I would have to estimate where those points are at. So I don't want to use those. But the next one I could use would be this one. And then remember, when we're finding slope, we're doing rise over run. So we have to go y first and then x. So up and then over. So I can go up. Looks like we're going up 1, 2, 3. However, the y is not counting by ones. So we're really going up 25, another 25, another 25, where you can see we're up from 0 to 70. So we haven't actually gone up 3. We've gone up 3 boxes. That is equivalent to going up 75 miles. And then we go over 1 box, which really is just 1 because we are counting by ones down here on the x. So we went up 75, went over 1, and 75 was the number of miles, 1 was the hours. So we went 75 miles for each 1 hour, or 75 miles per hour. So how much distance increases for each hour? So for each hour means 1. So as long as this bottom number is 1, we've answered that question. So it would be 75 over 1, or we can just say that's the same thing as 75. And then what is the slope? Well, it's the same thing. The slope is 75 over 1, or just 75. If you had gotten to an answer that said maybe 50 miles over 2 hours, my slope would still be 50 over 2. But if the question had asked me for each hour, I would then need to divide. Because if it wants each hour, I need this bottom number to be 1. So I know each. So 2 divided by 2 would give me 1. 50 divided by 2 would give me 25. So we're essentially just reducing it down until our denominator, our bottom number, is a 1. Again, this is just an extra example so we can understand how to find per 1 hour if we had a bigger number.